welcome to Classy Files. Okay girls, the first thing that I'm gonna do is measure my eyebrows. That way I know where they should start and where they should end. So first of all, we're gonna measure it from this part of our nose straight up. That's where it should start. Now if you want to, you can make a marking using like a lip liner or a white liner to know where you should start. So that's one. Now the next measurement is gonna be from this part of your nose across your eye. Just don't poke the eye. I almost did. So this is where your eyebrow should, like its highest point, like where it should be higher. And then you're gonna measure from here to this part of your eye. And this is where your eyebrow should end. Very roughly what I did is I made the markings. So one on the top, one on the bottom, one on the top, one on the bottom, and then one at the end. Okay girls, after that I like to use one of these cards. I'm using the Planet Fitness card just because I want to brag that I'm working out. Just kidding. Okay, what you want to do is connect the dots. So like this one with this one, make a straight line. This one with this one, make a straight line. This one with this one, make a straight line. The same for these. And that's gonna give you a rough shape of what the eyebrow should be. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay girls, I'm back looking cuter than ever.
It can tell you home reminders, adjust lights, play music or news and more. To customize your own home routine, check out routines in the Google Home app.
Stop! Okay, so after this, what you want to do is just plug the hairs that are either on the line that you made and outside of the line. Like I said, if you're using a white eyeliner, it's way better. I didn't have one, so that's why I used this one. It's going to be a little bit harder, but it's going to work. Also, if you just want to look cute one day, just do this, you know, super pretty. This is how I got Jonathan to fall in love with me. Okay, so let's just tweeze that out. I always sneeze when I'm tweezing my eyebrows. Am I the only one? Does it happen to you too? I hope I'm not the only weird one. I'm crying. Oh. If I was an actress and I needed to cry, at least now I know what would cause it. Just tweeze my eyebrows. Okay, now I'm just gonna wipe that away. It's looking way better already. Okay, so now I'm gonna comb my eyebrow. I'm gonna comb it upwards. And the little hairs that are sticking out, I'm gonna cut using these tiny scissors. Now I'm gonna comb it downwards. And whatever little hairs are too long, I'm gonna do the same and cut. And then I feel like these are really long, so I'm just gonna cut them a little bit. Alright, so this one's ready. I'm gonna do the other one. Okay, this is how they look without me filling them in. And this is how my eyebrows look once they're filled in. Now if you like how they look and you want to learn how I did them, I do have a video where I show this. So there should be a card appearing on top of the screen where you can click it and then it will lead you to that video. Or what you can do is also check the description box down below. I will leave it linked there. Now I really hope this is helpful, and maybe you're at that moment where you cannot spend on going somewhere to get your eyebrows done, or you just don't want to leave your home, you know, or you just don't want to risk somebody messing up your eyebrows. So definitely try this, and if there's something you didn't understand, or you know, some question pops up, just let me know. So that's gonna be it for today. This is my Buttercup. She had a haircut today and a bath. Yes, yes. Oh, she doesn't want to be here. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. And remember, if you have a case for the Classy Files, tell me about it in the comments. Bye! Click on the right to watch another one of my videos, or click on the CF logo to subscribe. Thank you for getting back to Classy with me. Bye!